people. In the famous book, Among Igbos of Southern Nigeria by G.T. Basden, page 28, he had this to say about the territory of the Igbo country. The limits of the Igbo country have now been approximately defined, and the territory apportioned to its districts. A network of government stations has been established, and trading and missionary interests show evidence of vigorous prosperity. The Igbos are distributed over the greater part of the central province of the protectorate and number about 4 millions. That is probably half the total population of southern Nigeria. According to this document, he believes, GTS Basden believes, that Igbos occupied over half the entire population of southern Nigeria. And when we mean southern Nigeria, it includes and embraces the present day southwestern Nigeria, which is all of the Yoruba speaking people, the Beninese, and the place you now call Middle Belt. Because where you now call Middle Belt, half of which have been zoned to the north by region, were all considered southern Nigeria.